Welcome back. I hope you had a good rest. Let's look at our journey again today. So we are going to look at time notation quickly. Then we will be off to converting. Remember guys, converting is very, very important. And then we go on to calculations with time. Time notation. What is time? How can you write time? Let's have a look. So time can be expressed in three ways. It can be, for example, if I say, I will meet you at 6 o'clock, I can write 6 o'clock as 6 a.m., 6 p.m. or 1800 hours. Why is it important? It is important so that we can be on the same page. I can't just tell you, no, we will meet at 6 o'clock. When is that 6 o'clock? Is it going to be in the morning or is it going to be in the afternoon? We might want to go jogging and I say, meet you at 6. And now 6 o'clock in the morning, you don't come, you don't show, and I go jog alone. And now, while watching my favorite TV show, 6 o'clock at night, now you want to go jogging. That's not going to happen. And that is why we always need to be specific when it comes to expressing time. Another thing, we spoke about the 12-hour clock and the 24-hour time. So remember, the 12-hour clock is where it's numbered from 1 to 12, and the clock goes past twice a day. And then we need to say AM or PM. Now, when it comes to the 24-hour clock, 2100 hours, 2200 hours, etc., there is some advantages. The first one, it is more compact. Second one, it's easier to sort. It avoids confusion around overflow from 12:59 to 1 a.m. And it is widely used in computing, navigating, and military applications. Remember, mathematical literacy is such a beautiful subject. You can take everything that we learn here, you can take to your real world, and that is why we want you to be exposed to stuff like the 12-hour and the 24-hour clock. Let's look at time notation. So remember, the decimal in hours is part of an hour. If we look at 2,3 hours, so that's my first hour, my second hour, and my third hour. 2,3 is somewhere here in the middle, there, 2,3. Meaning that 2,3, the comma 3 is already part of the third hour. So we can't say 2,3 hours is the same as 2 hours and 30 minutes. Remember, 30 minutes is half of an hour. So if I want to write 2 hours and 30 minutes as a decimal, it would be 2,5. The next thing, and I just want to take this off because I'm writing all over the place. Physical time is written with a colon and duration is written in words. Let's look at an example. 11:15 is time, and that is 11:15. But 11 hours and 15 minutes is the duration. So it will be as if I'm telling you that I drove for 11 hours and 15 minutes just to arrive at Cape Town at 11:15. Can you see what we did there? We mixed time with duration. Let's quickly go for an ad break before we continue.